Arizona sun destroys factory Ford F-150 door seals faster than you think. You can permanently stop this melting and sticking by upgrading to high-temperature EPDM rubber seals and applying a heavy-duty silicone dielectric grease. The extreme desert heat pushes the factory rubber past its thermal limit. F-150 weather stripping is exposed to direct ultraviolet rays and extreme cabin temperatures that bake the material from both sides. This intense heat causes the rubber compounds to break down and literally melt onto the metal door frames. The black paint on many trucks acts as an oven that accelerates this deterioration process. When the factory seals soften, they fuse to the cab frame while the truck sits parked. You pull the door open and physically tear the weakened rubber apart. The best defense is proactive maintenance using pure silicone grease. A thick layer of silicone creates a thermal barrier and prevents the rubber from fusing to the hot metal. You just need to apply it thoroughly every few months before the summer heat hits its peak. If your seals are already sagging and leaving black sticky residue on your paint, you need a full replacement. Factory replacements will just fail again under the same conditions. Aftermarket EPDM rubber seals are engineered specifically for extreme high-temperature environments. EPDM withstands heavy UV exposure and will not degrade or become sticky even when temperatures cross 110 degrees. Pulling the old melted seals requires a plastic scraper and adhesive remover to clean the metal track perfectly. Any leftover residue will prevent the new weather stripping from sitting flush against the frame. Installing the new upgraded weather stripping ensures your cabin stays quiet and your doors open smoothly without ripping the rubber apart.